Well, folks, a very cloudy and somewhat of a cooler start this afternoon. Skycam shows a lot of cloud cover over the MSU campus, and that's what kind of keeping our temperatures somewhat at the mid-level. Right now, we're looking at 65 degrees, a little bit of moisture in there right at 41, but also notice these gusty winds coming out of the east-southeast at 10. But also notice the temperatures across most of the Magnolia State. They're much cooler towards your north, but more central, they're a little bit warmer. And also look at that 80 degrees in Jackson, and it's mainly because of the different areas of cloud cover that we have across the state. Notice how most of the northern half of the state cloud cover is very covered at the moment, so sunlight is not going to really get through. But most of the central to the southern half of the state, they're going to see some possible sunlight today. But that is not exactly the big picture. The big picture, as we get into later on tonight and into Thursday evening, is the severe weather risk that we have for the area. So here's the setup. We have low pressure coming out of the Central Plains, and as it continues to move into more of a northeastern direction, it's going to definitely input some very severe risk for much of West Tennessee and northern Mississippi. Moderate risk could be along the I-20 corridor, and also another ingredient for this is the moist, unstable air mass that has been coming in and settling up. So the key thing is the cold front associated with this low pressure, that is also going to kick off those storms that we could see as we get into later on tonight into tomorrow. Also, Futurecast picks it up as well. Notice how most of the heavy shower activity is going to get started tomorrow afternoon in the Delta region, and it continues to move off into the northeast as we get into Thursday evening. But also notice this shape almost taking more of a squall line effect as it continues to move off into the northeast. Also notice the heavy precipitation back into West Tennessee. But then by Friday morning, most of that's going to push on out, and Friday is going to look pretty quiet. So for tonight, we're going to get down to about 54 degrees, but the showers, isolated showers, are not going to get started till after midnight. Then for tomorrow, it's going to be a pretty busy day as we get up to about 73, with those chance of showers and thunderstorms being very imminent for the area. Well, also frequent lightning and thunderstorms could be imminent as well. But as we get to the 5-day forecast, Friday and Saturday is looking pretty good as we go from 62 to 70. So if you're looking to do any kind of outside activity, Friday and Saturday is the day to do it. But then Sunday, we could have another system that comes through and bring us another chance for showers and thunderstorms that may kind of die out as we get into early Monday with their high getting up to about 62. This has been your Campus Connect forecast. Make it a good one.